The sun rises over the quiet village, spilling golden light through the windows of the royal bakery. Emma, with long curly brown hair and a cream dress embroidered with tiny flowers, carefully arranges cupcakes in the display. She steps back to admire her work, a gentle smile on her face as the frosting glistens in the morning light. Oliver, with short tousled hair and a rustic vest, carries a bundle of firewood into the bakery. He stacks it neatly by the fireplace, giving it a small tap to make sure it won't wobble. The warmth from the flames fills the room, mingling with the sweet smell of pastries. Noah, with straight shoulder-length hair and a green apron over a crisp white blouse, carries a basket overflowing with fresh vegetables from the garden. He hums softly as he arranges them on the counter, each carrot and tomato catching the light. Lily, wavy auburn hair in a light pink dress with puffed sleeves, crouches by the berry bushes outside. She carefully picks the ripest berries, placing them gently into her basket, leaving some for the birds that chirp happily nearby. Sophie, braided golden hair in a pastel blue dress with frills, decorates a cake inside the bakery. She delicately places little sugar flowers on the frosting, her eyes sparkling as she admires her handiwork. Emma rolls up her sleeves and kneads dough, her curly hair tied into an elegant updo with floral pins. Flour dusts her hands and apron as she works, shaping the bread with practiced movements. Oliver carefully stacks sacks of flour in the pantry, his leather apron protecting him from the fine dust. He hums as he works, enjoying the quiet rhythm of the bakery. Noah waters the window garden, shoulder-length hair tied with a ribbon. Each flower glistens as the water catches the sunlight. He smiles, watching the droplets sparkle on petals. Lily arranges flowers on the pastry stands, loose curls bouncing as she adjusts each bouquet. She steps back, satisfied that every table looks cheerful and inviting. Sophie tastes a dollop of frosting with a little spoon. Her eyes light up as she savors the sweet, creamy flavor. Perfect, she whispers to herself, placing the spoon down carefully. Emma opens the bakery doors in her cream and gold dress. Sunlight streams in as she greets the first customers with a warm, radiant smile. Oliver hammers a loose shelf back into place, messy hair falling into his eyes. The soft clink of the hammer echoes through the bakery. Noah chops fresh vegetables for a savory tart, his tidy ponytail keeping his hair back. Each slice falls neatly into a basket, ready for the next recipe. Lily carries a basket of freshly baked bread toward a picnic set up in the garden. Her half-up hairstyle frames her cheerful face, and her light yellow dress sways as she walks. Sophie arranges cakes and pastries into a delivery basket, her loose braids swinging gently. She moves carefully, making sure not to smudge any frosting. Emma ties her curly hair with a ribbon and dons an elegant cream apron dress. She guides her sisters, showing them how to knead, roll, and shape dough properly. Her eyes twinkle as she teaches with patience and laughter. Oliver tends the oven, sliding fresh loaves of bread inside. Rolled-up sleeves reveal his arms dusted with flour, and he checks the temperature carefully. Noah walks through the herb garden, side ponytail bouncing as he picks rosemary and thyme. Each bundle will add flavor to the pies and breads. Lily decorates cupcakes with delicate sugar flowers, wearing a flower crown that rests gently on her wavy hair. She hums a cheerful tune as she works. Sophie carries a tea tray to a table by the window. Her braided crown hairstyle and soft blue gown flow gracefully as she serves steaming cups to the family and a few friendly visitors. The bakery glows warmly as the day comes to a close. The golden light from the fireplace mixes with the soft glow of lanterns hung around the room. The 5 siblings gather around a small table, sharing stories of the day. Flour-dusted aprons, berry-stained fingers, and warm smiles fill the cozy room. Emma leans back, content, watching her siblings. Oliver stretches, satisfied with the day's work. Noah talks about the best vegetables from the garden, Lily shares the prettiest flowers she arranged, and Sophie giggles about the frosting she tasted. Together, they sit in comfortable silence, enjoying the warmth of family and the magic of the royal bakery. Outside,